Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the resolutions for fixing the runtime error, could not call block on Windows 11. And now let's get started. The first and simplest solution to resolve the runtime error could not call block on Windows 11 is to restart your computer. To do this, right-click on the Start button, select the Shutdown or Sign Out option, and then choose Restart. A fresh reboot often clears temporary glitches, causing such errors. If a simple restart does not resolve the issue, the next step is to ensure your Windows operating system is up to date. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Once in Settings, navigate to the Windows Update tab. In the right pane, you will find an option to check for updates. Click on this button to see if any new updates are available for your system. Installing the latest updates can often include fixes for known bugs and errors. Finally, if the previous steps have not resolved the runtime error, you can perform a system file checker scan. To do this, search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Once it appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator to open it with elevated privileges. In the Command Prompt window, type the command sfc/scan now, and then press Enter. This command will initiate a scan of your system files and attempt to repair any corrupted or missing files that might be causing the error. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.